Hey guys, Chasing Moon here, and today we're gonna have a look at a new Apple Watch Series 6. I'm pretty sure that majority of people who wanted to buy it by now got it, but for the ones who are wondering, still wanting to look at more reviews, I am here to help you. So today's video is mainly unboxing and a short comparison to a Galaxy Watch Series 3. So let's take a look what this time around Apple put in their box. Does any of you own any kind of Apple Watch, or especially Apple Watch Series 5? Are you guys looking to upgrade, or are you gonna keep the version of the watch that you have right now? So just like last year, if you did buy a Apple Watch Series 5, there are two boxes in a box. First box will have your Apple Watch and a charging cord and some paperwork, as you see, just regular flyers. The color of the watch that we have is blue, and obviously there is a charger, the same charger as Apple have been putting for years. And I was struggling a little bit to get this guy out, and the wrapping on the watch is actual paper. It feels a little bit weird, feels maybe like there would be a leather case, but it's just a paper case. And we got a 44mm watch, so it's a larger face. So let's turn it on. And in the second box, you will get a band for your watch. Obviously, this one will match the color that we have, which is gonna be blue. And as you may know or may not, Apple will put basically two sizes of the band in the same box. You will have a larger one if you have a larger wrist, or a smaller one if you have a tiny one. And again, some paperwork that comes there as well. If you ever owned an Apple Watch before, you know that one of the main, I guess, customizations would be your screen. So Apple added quite a few new faces, which I'm sure that majority of them will come to an older versions with the update of the software. Just looking through them, I kind of liked this Animoji one, which I'm sure that you can customize and probably just add your created Animoji, not the generic ones. Also wanted to mention that if you do not like the band that your Apple Watch comes with, you can definitely replace it. It's really easy process. You just have to buy a new one either through apple.com or the Apple Store or a third party. And to compare a little bit this new Apple Watch Series 6, I have an Galaxy Watch 3 next to it. So the main difference that I can tell you is that Apple Watch does have more memory. It is 32 gigabytes of memory compared to 8 gigs that Samsung Watch 3 has. Also, both of them run different softwares, where Apple Watch Series 3 is an iOS software and Galaxy Watch 3 runs on Tizen OS, which is a Samsung version of the software for the watches. Using both watches, each of them will be able to track your exercise activity. On top of that, they will track your health. You can measure your heart rate, you can take your ECG. From now on, you also can measure your blood oxygen on both of the devices, so it does not matter which one you really own, if it's a Apple Watch Series 6 or a Samsung Watch Series 3. While Apple had ECG in the previous versions of their watches, Samsung has been struggling with the update that was supposed to come even on their Galaxy Watch Active 2, which took over a year for that watch to be able to do what it was supposed to. I would like to create for you guys a deeper comparison of both of these watches, so I would really appreciate if you would comment what exactly you would like to see in that review, whether it's something sport related or maybe something different. Whatever you are interested in, I would love to create those videos so it would answer any kind of questions or doubts that you have. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you left a like and subscribed. And once again, any kind of advice on different videos, I want your input. That way I can create those videos for you guys. And stay tuned, there are gonna be more videos coming up on Apple products and on some Samsung products as well. And since Samsung did an update finally where ECG is available on their watches as well, I wanted to show you quickly how easy it is on either of the watches. Basically, you have to have them on your wrist and you have to keep your finger on the top power button for up to 30 seconds and it will tell you if there's something wrong.